Good morning to all of you. Today, I want to share a powerful message, the wise word of Gautam Buddha. He said that we should neither dwell in past nor worry about future, but instead we should focus on our present time. By doing this, we can create a beautiful future. So with this powerful thought, I would like to express my gratitude to our dignified director, sir, respected teacher, and my dear batchmate. Thank you for warm welcome and putting your hand together. Today, I want to share my thought on that topic that has been discussing for years, which is more important, beauty or intelligence. First, let's understand what is intelligence and beauty. Intelligence is an ability to learn from experiences and apply in our daily life. Where beauty is associated with physical attractiveness, it's all about looking good. According to me, intelligence is more important than beauty. Let me illustrate this with an example. If we take an example of APJ Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India, he was born in poor Muslim family at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. He used to sell at the age of 11 newspaper and many other things. He completed his education from Madras Institute of Technology. He renowned as an aerospace scientist and a leader. If we analyze this story, we can say that intelligence and hard work has ability to change our life, not only our life but the people around us. If we see in APJ Abdul Kalam case that he just not only transformed his life but also transformed and inspired the life of countless Indian citizens. On other hand, beauty is associated with physical attractiveness. Beauty is temporary. It is something that cannot be substanced or passed on others, where on other hand knowledge and intelligence are timeless and we can share this with others. This makes them more valuable and long-lasting asset. Even in beauty pageants like Miss World and Miss Universe, intelligence play a crucial role. The contestants are not only judged by their physical appearance, but they are also judged by their critical thinking, knowledge and their communicating skill. The judge asks questions to the contestant to check their intelligence and critical thinking. Judge want to know that the contestants are smart or could think deeply or they are just physically attractive. Intelligence is key to success not only in pageant but also all the form of life. People may remember a beautiful face, but he or she surely respects someone or admires someone who is intelligent. Intelligence and respect not from yourself but also from others. When you know that you have ability to achieve your goal, and you will feel more confident and self-assured. I strongly believe that beauty is attractive, but there is nothing more attractive than intelligence and power. Now, I would like to thank you all for listening my thought why intelligence is more important than beauty. Now, I wish you a wonderful day filled with joy, happiness and inspiration. Now, I would like to quit this podium. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, good morning respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we are gathered here for speech competition and the topic of speech has already been decided, and that is what is more important for women, beauty or intelligence. According to me, beauty is more important for women. Everyone likes beautiful women. She is always praised her beauty. A beautiful woman take part in beauty pregnancy apart from beauty contest. The leading beauty contest always chosen in film industries. The beautiful woman is get priority, is being selected for different types of job in TV channels. A beautiful woman can get married easily. She gets good choice for herself. For selection as a model, a beautiful woman get selection easily. A beautiful woman with even little talent can easily be chosen in films and TV channels. The parents have no worry for his beautiful daughter regarding her marriage. Only beautiful girls are generally selected for various culture programs and variety shows. Amongst the ladies, a beautiful girl get good respects. Beautiful girls are selected. Beautiful girls are become Miss World, Miss Universe and Miss India, so they become famous. And so they become famous. Everybody offers in film industries and similar organization. The boys prefers a beautiful girl. When she gets one, his life goes happily. Now I feel I have proved my point. I am going to quit this podium. Thank you and have a great day.